and it's raining.
So now I'm relaxing a little bit because whoa.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that...
Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. And in today's video we will show you 3 days of van life. There will be no cycling, no hiking, it's just a view of what we do on some of our typical in-between and driving days. So, let's go! Hi guys, I think you can already see we are at the camping. I just wanted to show you a little bit what we do on a day like that. As you can see here, we have washed and the washing we do usually at the campsite. When we go to a camping spot, we can also do a little bit of cleaning and shaving and washing and cleaning ourselves and things like that. Yeah, it's a nice change of pace. And actually, what we do when we are on the campsite, we tend to do not so much walking, not so much cycling, but we stay near the van. Yeah. Quite a lot.
You relax a bit. Yeah.
And relax, but also I'm editing. So here's my laptop. So it's editing. It is reading, eating nice food, and watching the clothes dry. And we treat ourselves to a nice meal at the camping restaurant. It's a rainy day today, so just to show you a little bit what we do on the day like that.
Just hanging on the couch.
Yeah, Sabine had a walk this morning.
Yeah, 2-hour walk.
2-hour walk, yeah.
Yeah, but then it was still sunny.
Yeah.
And more than 20 degrees, so that was good.
Yeah. So, and this also gives me the opportunity to show you. Look, this is inside of the van, so you can almost stretch your legs.
I can stretch my legs.
No, Sabine could stretch her legs even. Look. So this is how relaxed is that?
Yeah.
And this is just in a small Volkswagen transporter van.
Yeah. It's really chill.
Yeah. So amazing. And then on this side, oh, you can see the new curtains. Well, actually, it's not curtains anymore. It's like a covering of the windows to block out the sun, but also the heat. And it gives a much more spacious feeling on this side of the van. It's actually true. But I'm working for you guys to upload a new video, and we do that on 4G network, so it's by phone. So although we are currently here at the campsite and it's raining, it's a beautiful place in a valley, high mountains on both sides, but yeah, it was bad weather, so then it's an editing day. And that, yeah, I was very happy with that because I really needed the time. does this count?
Yeah. Because we only gonna pass.
Turn right.
Here. Look at that Stelvio Umbrail. Komt niks. This is a really steep climb. Oh.
Yes, this is very special to
Yeah.
drive in a 6 meter long van. I'm happy we have 150 horsepower
Yeah.
and an automatic.
So steep this.
It's raining, so it's not that busy, because if it would be busy, it would be hell.
No. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. There's another car coming.
We're lucky.
We were lucky. In the corner. And how do you feel, Marco?
Well, it's actually pretty fun.
Fun.
Could
You
have
like
been much
this?
worse. No, it could have been much worse. No, it's a 6 meter car. Very powerful. The only thing is I cannot see up the mountain very good. My right side, left side is fine. Right side's terrible. This is cool.
Very cool. Relaxing a little bit because whoa, that was so steep and small and everything.
So small.
This is so small.
It's impossible to go with more than one vehicle.
Yeah, you have to do this in the corners like this.
Yeah.
Otherwise you can't pass.
Maybe just. reach our destination in Pedenoso, Italy. A beautiful, free, off-grid and wild camper spot. It has been quite a journey to get here. Look at Sabine. But we think this is a perfect base camp to go up to Stelvio, and that will be in our next video. So please leave a like, comment or subscribe to support us. It helps us a lot. In the next video we will cycle up to Stelvio. So we hope to see you then as well. Thanks for watching and bye for now. Bye bye!